Okay, here are 6 algebra problems with another twist. We have to use the distributive property of multiplication. So on this first one, the 2 outside the parentheses actually multiplies both the x and the minus 9. So we always have to distribute that before we begin. So this problem really turns into 2x minus 18 is equal to 13. And now it's just a simple matter of doing what's easy first, moving the 18 to the right side by addition. 18 plus 23 is 31. So we have 2x is equal to 31. And then we set the x by itself by dividing by 2. And so x is equal to 31 halves. And that's not a reducible fraction, so we'll just leave it. Same idea on the second problem. The 4 multiplies the x and the 2 because it's outside the parentheses. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to negative 8. We'll subtract 8 from both sides to get that 8 onto the right side. So we have 4x is equal to minus 8, which is minus 16. So 4x is equal to negative 16. Divide by 4 to get x by itself, and we get x is equal to negative 4. Problem 3, same idea. Multiply the 2 by the x and the 1 to get 2x plus 2 equals 11. That dangling 2 there is the low-hanging fruit, so move that over first by subtraction. 2x is equal to 11 minus 2, which is 9. 2x is equal to 9, and then divide the 2 away to get x is equal to 9 halves. Same idea on number 4. 8x minus, let's see, 8 times 7 is 56, is equal to 100. Add the 56 to both sides, or move the 56 to the right by addition. So we get 8x is equal to 156. Then divide away the 8 to get x by itself. And then 156 over 8, let's see, that can be reduced. I just like to, as long as they're both even numerator and denominator, I like to keep dividing by 2, see where I get. So that's 78 over 4, which is 39 halves, and that's as far as we can go, so we'll leave it there. X is equal to 39 halves. Okay, now some fractions, yay. A half multiplies x and 4, so we have 1/2 x is equal to, well, a half times 4 is just 2, and that's equal to 9. So we have a half x is equal to, plus 2 is equal to 9. We'll subtract the 2 from both sides, so we have a half x is equal to 7. Now the way to get rid of that half is to multiply by its reciprocal, 2 over 1. So 2 times a half is just 1. And on the right side, 7 times 2 is 14. So x is equal to 14. And the last one, the 3/5 multiplies the x and the negative 15. So we have 3/5 x minus 3/5 times negative 15. And, looks like I messed that up, right? I forgot to put the 5 in the denominator of the 45. So I'm going to let you work out the rest of that one. Notice where my mistake is. It should be minus 45 over 5, which should be minus 9. So I should have ended up with 18 on the right side. 3/5 x is equal to 18, and so on. But you can fix that.